Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is Food School Smarter, Stronger, Leaner podcast. Podcast dedicated to one thing to learn and apply to eat better daily. I'm your host, Angela Shurina from Create Yourself That Today, your personal nutritionist, your personal health and wellness coach, your fellow biohacker, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy eating, healthy food, nutrition, feeling your best, looking your best, performing your best on all levels using the power of foods. Best foods for weight loss, for fat loss, for health, for your goals, for energy, the recent science and discoveries about food, diets, nutrition, everything and anything in between. I've been out of my daily podcast routine for a couple of days. Why? Because I've been moving, I've been going through a lot of things, a lot of changes, and what really was a highlight of these days is actually my nutrition and sticking with my eating habits that gave me the power, that gave me the strength, that gave me all the energy I needed to face any challenge and to overcome it and to keep going. And today I wanted to share with you the strategies that I've realized I've been using to have no problems with sticking with my nutrition no matter where, even, when I'm sleeping on friend's couch or I don't have a kitchen or I don't have a place to cook or I'm in a completely unfamiliar place and I have new place to shop for food. So those three strategies help me to stick with my healthy eating habits, still eating all healthy foods. If anything, I even got better with my eating habits, eating my greens, eating my omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon, like sardines, like even tuna, my pasteurized eggs. And so what are the strategies that allowed me to succeed with my healthy eating habits no matter what? Well, first, I have an identity of a person who eats only healthy food in any situation, finding the best solution, the best foods available anywhere, and putting more thinking into it. So I have this identity that I don't eat junk food no matter what, that I don't put poison in my body. And having an identity is strategy number one. Identifying the kind of person you want to be and support that identity with behavior. So if you say to yourself, I'm the kind of person who eat only healthy food, who eat foods that according to my knowledge are nutritious and bring benefits to my health, to my energy, to my well-being, to my body, and I'm the kind of person who eat only these foods and I find solutions in any situations. And when you have this mindset, this identity, behaviors kind of happen automatically after a while, after you really installed this idea, this identity with your behaviors. So I have this identity that I always eat the best food, the most nutritious food, because I know that that's going to contribute to my energy levels, to my positive attitude to life, to my ability to overcome any challenge and find solution in any situation. So number one, identity. What kind of person you are and what kind of eating habits that person has. The strategy number two, habits. So I have my routine. So every morning I drink my water. Every morning I add lemon. I add some kind of green powder and electrolyte into my water. Every morning I go and work out, and after workout I have more of liquids with now BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, or with maybe protein powder if I don't feel like necessarily eating this particular day or I have no time for it. So this is my routine. And then somewhere in the middle of the day, before 6 p.m. usually, I have my major one meal a day where I have my greens, where I have my either fatty fish or my pasteurized eggs, or some something from this department, the same food. So I have this routine in case I don't want to think about anything else, and I don't want to make it, I want to make it really fast. And so this habit, this routine built around my eating habits allows me to save energy and time for decisions, because if there are no other solutions, or if I don't want to think on other options, I just have my salad with olive oil, get some green mix in any kind of grocery store that is around, organic green mix. And then if I don't want to cook, I get some canned salmon or canned sardines or canned tuna, or I get some eggs or shrimp, whatever is the best option available. I add that to my lunch, and my lunch is covered. And I have my drink in the morning. I make sure I'm well hydrated during the day, and that's about it. Once you have those habits, those routines built around your identity, it's kind of a no-brainer to follow healthy eating habits. And actually not following that takes time and energy, makes you go out of your way. That's why when I have a lot of stuff on my plate, I eat even better, because I just don't have time to think about all the extras. I follow my routine. I have my drinks in the morning, my healthy drinks, my electrolytes, my lemon water, and then in the middle of the day I have my major lunch, and that's it. And then I work, and I work out and go to sleep. So first, identity, what kind of person you are and what kind of eating habits this person has, and then build habits around that identity. So your healthy eating habits take no decision-making energy and time, and you have a routine built around those healthy eating habits. And number 3 is avoiding temptations. So when I know that I might have a lot of challenges, or I might not have the best food I want to have every single day around me, then I at least make sure that I don't go nowhere near junk, so my mind doesn't go that way. Or maybe we should just have that, instead of trying to look for better options or trying to stick with our best routine. So I don't hang around, cookie our bakery shops or McDonald's, or like those places are not even food places for me. And I don't look at foods that I don't eat. That kind of already happens automatically, because my mind has this identity built in, habits around my identity, my values, my beliefs. So my mind doesn't even go there. Avoidance happens automatically. But for you, if you're trying to change your eating habits, you want to avoid as much as possible foods that you were maybe used to, or you were craving, foods that you were kind of, just used to eating. Just avoid those places. Change your coffee shop. Change the place where you eat, where you used to eat your junk foods or any kind of food addictions you had. Just go around those places, build new routines around your new identity, and avoidance gonna also help you to stick with your eating habits. So those are 3 strategies that you can start using today if you want to be smart about your healthy eating habits. And you need to be smart about your healthy eating habits, because you need your energy and your decision making energy, avoiding decision making fatigue. You need your decisions, your more important decision, for something else, not for your food. So strategy number 1, to recap, have an identity, create an identity, write it down around your desired eating behavior. What kind of person you are, what kind of person that person has, what kind of eating habits that person has. So what's your identity when it comes to healthy eating, your health, taking care of yourself? Then build habits and routines around that identity. So eating healthy is no work at all. Have your routine, have your habits, have everything ready to go, so it doesn't take any thinking at all. So number 2, habits. Build your habits, build your routines around your identity. And number 3, avoiding the places, the routines, the things, the people, anything that reminds you of your old self, of your old eating habits, of undesirable eating behaviors. So avoid it, build new routines. Again, change your shop where you grocery shop, change your coffee shop. You would be amazed how just creating new routine makes it easier to stick with your new eating habits, creating new routines, new habits around your new healthy eating identity. So I hope these strategies really will change your healthy eating behavior. Don't just learn them, try them, apply them. If you have any questions, if you need more advice how to construct your identity, build habits around your identity when it comes to healthy eating, shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today, Angela@createyourself.today. Let's connect, and I'm sure I can help you to eat better daily. Thank you guys for listening. Give me feedback, share this podcast if you find it useful, rate it on iTunes so more people learn how to eat healthy, so we have healthier population and healthy world, and just more awesome life for everyone. Again, thanks for listening. Until next time, guys, eat better daily.